Hi guys, it's me, Indiana Jones, and welcome to my channel. This is a new collaboration that is hosted by Sammie of Unicorn Dust Designs. What is this all about? Well, it's called Try It Tuesday, where you take another crafter's idea that has inspired you and bring it to life in your own unique way. So I have 3 inspirations, 3 new crafts, and 3 wonderful, lovely ladies that I am inspired by all the time. So I hope you are inspired to make your own creations after this video. And please make sure to check out Sammie's channel and all the channels that are included in this playlist, and also all of those wonderful crafters who have inspired me today. Let's get started. So for my first challenge, I am taking inspiration from Sammie of Unicorn Dust Designs. Yeah, I know. She is the hostess of the channel, but truly is very inspiring, and I love this shabby chic egg that she made. Now, I forgot to videotape when I was oh my gosh, what is this, the 80s? Yes, I forgot to film when I was painting outside, so I just spray painted a plastic Eggo from the Dollar Tree. I can't even open it now. You can see it's from the Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is cover it a little bit more with some acrylic paint, make it kind of into a chalky paint, just to cover up this area here that really didn't cover very well with the spray paint and other mistakes. Well, you know, let's just cover up those mistakes, shall we? Let's start. I forgot to mention earlier that Theresa of Theresa B DIY is the co-host of this challenge. Now to add some speckles, I'm just using an old toothbrush and some Plaid craft paints. I learned the shabby chic flower technique from Theresa of Greene Acres. I really loved making this shabby chic egg, thanks to Sammie of Unicorn Dust Designs for giving me the inspiration. Now my next craft comes from Corie of Crafted by Corie. She used one of these Dollar Tree styrofoam bunnies and decoupaged it and made it look like something from Mackenzie Childs. And you know how I love Mackenzie Childs. So let's get started. I found this flowered tissue design from Dollar Tree and thought it was absolutely perfect for this craft. For me, Mod Podge is perfect for any decoupage. This craft is being inspired by Theresa of Greene Acres. I love Theresa's shabby chic style, and I especially love the way she reuses and recycles many things. These little flowers actually were also inspired by Theresa. So let's get started. To add texture to the canister, I watched as Theresa added these self-adhesive tiles from Dollar Tree. They look beautiful in copper, but I enjoyed having the chalk paint so it would match the rest of my shabby chic Easter decor. I had an extra tile, so I placed it on the top of the canister just to make sure that it matched the rest of the design. Once again, I'm using the shabby chic flower technique from Theresa of Greene Acres. So what do you think? Should we look at our inspirations again? Well, this was inspired by our wonderful hostess, Sammie of Unicorn Dust Designs. Dollar Tree egg and some embellishments makes such a difference. You can buy something like this at the store probably for 10 bucks and probably only cost me $2 to make. Anyway, I want to thank Sammie for hosting this wonderful playlist. I'll be sure to join on other Try It Tuesdays for months to come. It's a wonderful way to shout out to creators and crafters that inspire you. Another one, oh my gosh, Corie. I love Corie. Corie is so much fun, and when I saw her do this, I was scouring Dollar Trees to find these little styrofoam bunnies, and I was able to find it, and I think it just has such a cute little Mackenzie Childs kind of feel to it. So thanks, Corie, for that idea. And of course, my shabby chic queen, Theresa of Greene Acres. Come on, if you've seen her, you know what I'm talking about, and if you haven't, go check her out. I love this. A cracker tin, and now it's like something that I would buy at a shabby chic boutique. Shabby chic boutique, yes. I love this. Thank you so much, Theresa, for thinking of this, and also for teaching me how to make these fluffy little fun flowers for my shabby chic decor. Again, thank you so much for stopping by. If it's your first time, please think of liking, sharing, and subscribing to me so you can see more wonderful, fun stuff that I make. And if you'd like, you can check me out live 3 nights a week, Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday nights. And if you're a fellow crafter, please join me on Friday nights. We love to craft and chat, and it's just a lot of fun. So, as I always say to my friends when I say goodbye, stay safe, be kind, God bless each and every one of you, and remember to live the adventure, guys. Yeah. Oh, make it a shabby chic one. And try it Tuesday. Try something that I've made here.